Hi guys, what if I were to tell you that picking up these moves is actually really easy? You see, the problem with most beginners is that they don't have a system in place for learning these new moves. They get all excited, you might have experienced this as well, you get all excited about learning this new move, and then what happens is when you start to go train it, you get frustrated, it took too long, you start to get injured and you kind of gave up, or you didn't really have the confidence to do it. Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not actually your fault. You just didn't have the right strategy / system in place for you to achieve that. Well, here at the Breakdance Academy, we've created a secret kind of formula that will have you achieving at least one of these advanced moves in 7 days or less. This has worked for me. When I first started, I learned this system and I picked up most of the advanced moves within a couple months. And then all the hundreds of other students I've been teaching this, they've achieved amazing results. So if you want to find out more, click the link below and I'll see you soon.